If you've ever struggled to add clean lines to your Canva designs, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it with confidence. Whether you're designing social posts, planners, thumbnails, or presentations, knowing how to draw and customize lines can instantly upgrade your layout and clarity. To get started, open Canva and log in if you haven't already. From the homepage, create a new design or open a project you're already working on. Having your design ready helps you plan exactly where your lines will go. Now, look at the vertical toolbar on the left side of your screen. Scroll down to find the Tools option and click it. A set of features will appear, and the one we want is the pencil icon. That's Canva's freehand drawing tool. Click the pencil to activate it. With the tool selected, move your cursor onto your canvas. Click and hold your mouse, then drag in the direction you want your line to go. You'll see the line appear in real time as you draw. If you want a perfectly straight line, just hold down the Shift key while dragging. This keeps it aligned horizontally, vertically, or at a perfect angle. Once you're satisfied with the line, release your mouse to lock it in place. And here's where you can really personalize it. Click on the line to reveal the editing options along the top. From there, you can adjust the color, thickness, and style to match your design. Try out a few combinations until it fits the look you're going for. That's all it takes. Drawing lines in Canva is quick, flexible, and super useful once you know where to find the tool. Experiment with different styles, add structure to your layouts, or get creative with freehand sketches. If you found this helpful and want more Canva tips like this, stick around for upcoming guides. Thanks for watching and happy designing.